I am here. Lay a praise medley, Papa from MOG alongside on him, Messi. Sugar time now, 29 after 3. This is Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Welcome to Thursday, the 10th of June, 2021. Don't forget, we are until 6. Ned news at Twasama Boko. Yeah. Nina Hana Bengano. Let me see you shouting. You don't know. Hey, if you know how to be seen, my name is Nancy. Was I Adrian Naswa? Oh yeah, you are new. So for being now the condolence. Odima, synagogue for you. Ghana no no. Eko yesu di anka obi anka se o yeso fo obi ni kra ade ne condolence amho yo. Etifa so kakra idio. E ba bia obefa bia obehia sa video. Ba bia obefa bia video no behia no. Oh, you growing. Imodo. So for so kra. Mine no challenge video no. So na ya na chese ni interpreter no. Tika or run say yeah inanka akwan mom de ko. Hallelujah. 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 Abu share me on Facebook o se sia bra na. Yaki can't to see ya. Yaki can't to see ya. Na ya kwe ni. Do you Pentecost as well? There. I can't see you. We are live on Facebook. Come there, let me see you. I can't see you. Come there, let me see you. On Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Come there right now. I want to see you. In fact, I want to see you on Facebook. Let me check who is on Facebook. Charles Sass, Ankara. I see you on Facebook. Oh yes, you are there. Bishop General. I see you on Facebook. Pastor Mario. Also demo on Facebook. Gladys Osai Anton. Anton. I see you. Vida Wiafe. I see you on Facebook. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on, why be no? Who else is here? Jesus. Angela Mensa, I see you on Facebook. Jesus, I am a you trust me, Queen Selling. You too, I see you. You trust me, anymore. Constance Asamoah, I see you on Facebook. Tata Michael, you're also on Facebook. I see you. Esther, I see you, but your surname is heavy. Esther Podogbe. Yes, it's heavy, but I can't come. Emmanuel Abuadiabo Kaspa, I see you. Rosmona, I see you on Facebook. Kwesi Ejenyako, you're with them. I see Jerry, they feel you. Nelson Awuku, I see you. Who else is on Facebook? Yes, come on. I want to see you. Before I bring you videos of our time, then the video I'm watch it. Now, and the video, hey, Africa you do those things, you know, say, but I hear say, brofono, almost omono, a pay in no some that spirituality near the adeno. Almost do a mushroom, so the high tech. But who's Africa? Hana Sane Manemano. Today, I did take you go Sierra Leone, right? Video no, social video you. Wouldn't say Ghana, even Ghana Hakrano. Yes, say. Obi timi wu ewa abroad timi say sa wu no ankanya ni wu timi say obi na aye ni bibi omo kosi onipa na na ye na yie na yeso onipa akono honhom timi etisi obi so no onipa akona kasa sa me hu sa de bi o committee 5 pen one popular guy bi we me pese me boni din na makaya busuan ya o ewo committee 5 na before on besie no honhom tisi girl bi so Emma girl ne kasa ya ma girl ne kan onipa ko a enam no so ma boy ni wiye no come to 5 aya tema some time ago omo enim ne de me kan omo but me nchechim bebre won bi si girl no so ma girl no yo bi on pen no asem din girl ni cheki o gidi ai now I started can some information jai Chemwa, I'm one pakwa, or Kuza, young man. I'm so no, I'm down for you won't shame me. I'm a drum. Sadi any BSC, El Sierra Leone, and that Bedo corner yet shows a video. Videos of our time. You need to see it. Now when they form they take you in some way. I want to show you that video. What I say. Sanka floral disposable handkerchiefs Libya. I was mistake. Sanka be any money. Now a use na kama say. Ya run a kama. Bibiania we back one now their paper. We back one now their paper. We are no attraction. Not just when you want now chrono. Better than the usual cloth handkerchief. Yes, also away Flora toilet roll and I feel your Flora multi-purpose paper towels and I feel your Flora table napkins and our box tissues. Nina are available. Our shops are holding in our emo. A bonus on Yeti. The door panel for Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. That's what it is. Dominion Herbal Powder. Dominion Herbal Powder. Abusia and Tantana ya been sheshon no phone sana fina de be wa yo debi. Wo de nom Dominion Herbal Powder keke. Vim beba. Immune system no be den. It yare bia beba system no be fight against it. Na san boa normalize your blood pressure, heart or kidney related problems no be here for your diabetes na be ko. Where adwuma keto bia out brebe brain na so be twa. And they do any chair about shops out on in them will be more and more equipping mountains, Monco Dura chemicals, woman pond. And I feel some J house at Bay Anglican, I will breed. And I'll borrow more cadence, I'll be your high pill pharmacy. akwetia phone call health as well. Aguna swedro nyamiti ase heba. Mo so menya mo ko Nagiza na phase Neda pharmacies. Sumu phone so ko Tony K pharmacy. Koforia Gapson pharmacy. Na fe ohene nana heba. Ho nyina ebi o. Enye sa fo ni chemu onkoko. Also hwehwe Angel Dominion Bar Center. Phrase 0543 158 195. Afe 020 429 6449. Yeah. Abusia bra Facebook says here now videos of our time. Yen Francis so. Nesha sa video e bibire mu ansem de ya na bi yi hundodo. We Sierra Leone asem we see e bia e from Kent Town, yeah. Hona sa asem we esi. Na ni nyina ne se video na ya sha ase no. Ni nyina se obi awu. Na owu nso de owu no enye obi owu bia na eye yisa nzo owu bi wa tumi ze we de ewo mote enti yaye bibia awie ama ye de dead bad no ahye efu adaka mu a omokwa akosie no ehwa na surprisingly omo a eso afu daka no ase bia be shom mu. Enti if they want to go left na come follow kwan on be kono de funda kana kono yakosi na honhom na twem ko right omu nyina na direction to different direction and na lead from baby I dey ade tum sa ya de omo akwa enfa na de komo de afu adaka ikoi no mu de ache ye enkrofo no omo ye onhwe enye ye mema panso omo timi control ne fu adaka na kasa lead on sa de akopie onipa ko a ono ena okum lady na wawu no ne dan ya no se twan na ye bo a kire hwe ye no ene the communication that is going on any ade nyina no na chese omukun lady ne de ne ye rituals ne wiase mu no yese enye obia sunsun bia na se obia na ade ne ye bibie ye obi wa honhom edi na chi no maza maybe you can succeed in killing that person but won't hold that obi wa ni moja gu a eyensem bebre enti ade ne ye choka sa no adaiti omo ade akwa kopie onikro a ono na okum lady no ede ne koye rituals no na boboa no say santan enye wanwa ye behwe video no jeko piaso menko yenim na ye hwe video na make catch say nay from the house of Fritor ye the all new Fritor seasoning aba. It comes in tablets and a powder. What I say now when be meet all your everyday meal needs. Tablets are very easy to crush but firm enough not to melt during storage. Now a more no it tastes delicious. Ubet me I try shrimp no and now say chicken one no and now mixed spices no and now tomato flavor one no crans no ubet me I check here na ama oduan na yeni na no afa taste wo kwanson ko so abusia video na edwa go no se hwe bi Fritor seasoning or se taste wom Fritor love your food love your life enti hwe emrantie no na eso afu adaka no mo ama join on Facebook na mo hwe no ifu adaka na white ena omdi fu adaka eko na sade nka enna anyim no obi ato na ya bibi awie nde ifu adaka nde nka boko say de kono ne next stop cemetery na chese ye de kwa akwhye fom ano no na ye ne onipa na wie na mrante yi ma fu adaka isu no mo ye so mo de ade na kono ye omo fa benkuma na de na atwe mo afanifa hwe ifu adaka na etwa 360 no hwe etwa 360 hwe mrante ntimi o etwa no saa ade no som na etwa 360 etwa kanko saa omutim ko ba bia na ade na dai to omo atimi afafu adaka na nko amusia nkwan kosi o na atwe omo saa de omo akowura efikro na onipa ko a okun lady no de ne rituals no atim na ekodu fie okra nyina ofie o adai to omo saa de akowura onipa ko inya kranka ebetwe omunya de na akwa kosi onipa ko no bed so se onipa wi na okume edeme eye aduru anko obia susum tisese na obia ku obia amanfo kokum enti police o de hwe video no police phone na akra bam because ade no monte ase oh police phone nyina bam o police phone na bam am omu na akra mo awa but anko obia susum etimi yese ya anka nkrofo kunkunkunkum nkrofo no om de enrich om de aye om ne ma rituals ne ma ne se kombe jai because ohonto lady we dey otimi say susum na tin mu no so o se hwe you won't kill me do your thing and go keke sa no and amanfo yi your phone no say so de wani tua na obi atwa bi na obi atwa bi na amanfo na di akiri na ya sen wan na ye unim say before they said they had obi a person odi akiri ko hwe de ko akosi and na susum ne directum no a directum sa from baby a omo ye awie ya omo ma fu adaka no so anka yes omo de cemetery no a directum sa to guy na okun lady no efie a che say according to the story no it was that guy who killed the lady for rituals and then he akowie ni say you abusia iwiase gidigidi obi no anya ne sika hyepe de dakasa kesie mu ni ade ye show off sika ni hwe ema wani mire obi o ema wani mire obi da unnim ekwan obi fa so a ode akonya ne de kakra na nyame nsa wo na ode ahira no mo wani so ne so mu kakra ne koso bompa esre rade na ode ewu mu no ma onsanka enkodi pressure chi ene show off some man for ye cause who nim de ebinim ye we nka we abrantie efie we kura me ye sure sen ko betu afim na nsan ya cause cash ne beba we efie ye nhye dan ya meka bia za ode mo a mo hwa de mo hwe fie no efie ni nhye dan ye fie bia e kama bia sa anko betu afifie on na nsan ya beko hwe mansion bi obeko trem na so ge moja e no de akọ ne niema ene ho kasa kese obeda dem ne life for bebo oh na wa top pressure de ama boys ya enso wa ye niema tinye ge susum na eden ena wa ya mafi ade to ada ho a na chese nkasa yenye careful man microphone top pressure man especially these days social media say me wan hwe yi adwo pressure man for beto ama no obekoye de yenye very careful na nyo bia na obetimi a technical kekesa scot free e wa bra pay for it oye abusia say the omu no say MTN na di 25 years na wa bra guso aye celebrating your 25th anniversary the catcher wa ne say yani so asetena ho ne atena said the waji atum over the years any abobra the senti and a good day for you to do all the catching up course be a kamu a onye ye nyina no make those calls today wa bra guso aye celebrating your 25th anniversary the air catcher one say for your loyalty your first call of the day is on us. Yes, just call another MTN number and you get to talk for 25 long minutes for free if you celebrate him the 30th of June 2021. So be careful the person you call first. Sorry, I don't buy if you're on MTN because first call now MTN afanka. It is so nipa kunu obi abetimi na kasa achi at least be 25 minutes because they are free. What I say. Now first call no friend no nipa kunu ni kasa ya 3 seconds. Afina the next person ya ko friend no onne ko kasa be 1 hour. Do there be. For no mu ye first call. No akasa achi na wetimi anya sa benefit no. You know what I'm saying? So this is by way of saying thank you for being with us and for us for the past 25 years. So go on and make that call because it's a good day to be on MTN. Let's go. MTN, everywhere you go. terms and conditions account ya no abomode ana wa hye no so e de amaye ene ube ko bi fie na Cerelac empty tin nesisi yo konko nesisi wa ese ohu de so asesa kogu ball so se nkwala de be dia grow se den yo ene kwa fofra ba obetimi ama eye o Cerelac 400 gram tin no are very useful anyone ni akwanche na de ma we the new Cerelac wheat 350 grams pouch no oba modern etobia oh the pillow packs ano woto eno a eno ne value pack no eno any the ideal choice yeah obetimi e dia refill eye wo Cerelac 400 gram tin no na tese wasa ahye ne ma na tin so abanfa so oh eye very affordable convenient still na amount all the nutrients na we here no oh say iron, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12 and a vitamin D, a zinc and iodine ni nyina bi wom kama eno eboa supporting normal cognitive function no promote optimum growth edema mofrano ban better development so bibia timi akoye e won reading media so go on and grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350 grams or say more for less. Sankra tui FDA I muhimu ajia tumu say eye or how bia NHD. As usual, I wiane bo whom say do say na say me check on you na me say bibia da na kwamua na the other cool system no and no royal drinks. Say yeah royal cola, royal apple, royal orange or royal cocktail. Make sure it is chilled to susa na no bogu mua guma uyanwa ew and phobia how you obi catch also a bush boy grass yes and family ho muna minim feeling amenya e more day you pa royal drinks you to try it you go like them and your 250 pesos they are available in a shop near you shen say we are another quality product if Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Wait me out phrase 0262 351 251 Nafi 0272 133 373. Not do be a unyebia so no. Yabo modern ama onsa etimiaka. Tiano abomodiana onso washen so sa edi amaye na bibia so etimi ako eye. Kama. Na adeba akwa hadwen ene se obebo modern abobre ya wotintim nwuma obodwuma okobiye bibia na dakrope atorenchen bi ato afi una wakamun insurance bia eni bia ye okoya na obaye ne senti ene ne ye kanfo Phoenix Insurance the amount say atorenchen betimi aba na so besan gina wona maso bim yes you rise again when disaster strikes. So make sure you insure with Phoenix Insurance. Now, you may be no and puntu mapa etimi abam. Yede, you to your claims quickly. Now, your policies be brave. Say your motor, insurance, fire, accident, marine, engineering, and now bonds. Nina ni jinemu. And they crowd to me to insurance policy at the fat year short code. So star 389 star 79 star. And now they're frame 0302 246 319 and 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Kama pa. Shanoson Euro 2020 no. Edruswa anesa na aha. Any day a home and 70 na ebreo said the wedding can't tidada no. TBB any anwa shanoson. Na only ashia boom. Away multimedia platforms I don't need now so dear Connie dear Benina Yamaya Adom if you're China the 11th of June and copy the 11th of July 2021 any day bro live on Joy Prime and then on Adom TV live matches and updates ni na BB the bro on television and then we'll be live radio commentary and also no on Insure FM Love FM Afia Senpai FM Adom FM Joy FM and Afia Hits FM ni nyina so yede ebema etiche no so action ni nyina no aha erigina she no said the multimedia group and the home of Euro 2020 any all right no media house be any right no tie bia home popo bi kakra ye ne tofo ma no be fade am because one try pair emra bedi wen ama chese kabubru na beba o mo asetrim ti no nya dia wen be try krati ya na ye hwe na ya ron bibia kama e dia ma Ghana ma de shi na ba bibia mo bia what you say na e hye no so se obetimi anya bibia sa fili experience no e wa bra wo hwe Joy Prime afei so eye Adom TV in HD e wo HD plus decoder no so no na ma we fi so say HD plus and the HD experience partner the multimedia group were ready heroes everywhere. She knows say the entire coverage ni na no there. Betway, Afe Azar Group, DBS Industries, Nivea, Alliance Life Insurance, and Afe CD Low Price Masters, or Madama, and now Omaso Imua. Yet me this a shade na ebro. Away multimedia platforms. I hold on in na eso. Chebi Baba Sha somewhere to you for a way. I will feel quite made so Adom 106.3 FM. In your real is up, I shall say a bit to me. Around the world in 5 minutes. We say Scott here, there. We Theresa, I'll say to you. Who one name is chef for? Adama Kuma Tommy. I say, Jerry, wish my lovely daughter, Dorcas Mensah, happy birthday. She's at Wenchi Subinso. May the Almighty God bless her with health, that's good health, wisdom, and long life. Isaac K. Mensah, Ewo Italy, and I also a year and say, yeah. Name a chef for Theresa or say to two and anyway a brain. I was your baby, I do know. Yabeshe na yet ya semwa yedi 8 home for an area. I will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM. ene asɛm a yɛde etu yɛn ho fo ɛwɔ dwumadie so yi ɛna edi so a ɛba yi wɔ pɔtɔ kasa mu na asɛm ne sɛ be humble to see your mistakes. Be courageous to admit them, and be wise enough to correct them. Tibimu. Or say 1. Be humble to see your mistakes. 2. Be courageous to admit them. And finally, 3. Be wise enough to correct them. Eye niema miensa. Ni nyina ka ho a emabrabo no ekoyie. Esa sa wo ye nipa eden a from so de obeye bi. No one knows it all. There be the story of Professor Iya. What su ade akọ animu a obi a nim so nim bibia kama. Na okohia akwa no ozuo no a okoye gaga ya omudu ezuo no fifi a oja no hoto nzuo na se wo ye ka bibia so na oni bibia no so na wo jam nzuo fi me de timi akọ so so de why bibia psychology ho annuology bibia me too. I did seniology, so I'm going. No professor, you to do it and go. Professor na waka nzuo mi enyo ontimi hu bibia wo wiase mu ansa na wafi atiasefo asase iso akọ what I say. Na edu baabi nso a wakoye nipa yi de wobetimi ayemfom so eto da wonim ade na woye no nsunsu aso ebetimi aba wonnim se sa ade na woye no ebi mpokra enye ana de woye no kra no you are doing it the wrong way. You think says anet here because that's what you know, and so be not there's a better way to go about it than what you are doing. If you are not humble enough, you will not realize a mistake in our no. It takes somebody who is humble and someone with me realizing the mistakes. We will be very arrogant. You can't be Mr. Know It All. The whole school near Akobi, your friend Noah. And yes, Noah, a dean Noah, yeah, but BB1 also Noah, just you know. Everything. Oh yeah, that's what I know. Oh, now BB, I know. And as well, Noah, BB, you know. Oh yes, sir. Won't mean who mistakes. Now one who mistakes are here and so. Won't me and Yahoshi and I. So the first step is say, so to me, brown once. You should be humble in order to see or realize your mistakes. And when you see your mistakes, when you realize them, be courageous enough to admit them. Obi one man from Swano Krano, where Timmy Ben once and will be a channel. You're pointing out to him, I'm going to say, oh, yeah. And yet, it wasn't right. But, say, ni ego, say, so dear you, and you know, on Peso Begiatum. Obi one so I say, Ferrio, send him Guasio. On person bejatum wo hupa nani tua pass ade na wa ne yefom so and so still obeji wanchinye obeya so bejatum obe admit pass no this one I got it wrong. No, that person will never admit that obekos we defend it ade na wa na enye no, but clearly in his mind when him say he is wrong, he knows he's at fault. When him say ade oye dey a terrible mistake, but unadmitted that if you continue to do this, Abusuya, you won't be able to correct your mistakes. Be courageous enough. I do baby looking at the caliber of person you are. Why you sound from so na obi anka I say you be admit actually say you what me actually say I dey hear there and nam kwemu. Now oh yeah I'm sorry now Charlie some way. But if you are courageous enough, you will admit them. Say, we there. Me am papa na mindiness we there. Manyade. Yes, I didn't do well. It is only by this way. And now bet me, edenya sa nyansa no Now what correct some mistakes, because you will learn from them at that point. And you don't want to admit that how do you learn from it and what correct those mistakes? If I practice it, if I do it and you also do it and we all do it, and the world will be a better place for all of us. Be humble to see your mistakes. Be courageous to admit them. And be wise enough to correct them. And yes, I want who mistake. Now, why are courageous enough? Now I admit to say yes. We did my from so 90 and 90 and 90. Now, brush, because I know. Learn from it so that you'll be able to correct some mistakes now. Oh, yeah, no. Now, one sign you be. We near somewhere in there. Every year, you do 2 years home. I will feel consumed. So Adom 106.3 FM. Now, me own shine. Now, as somewhere you tear ye on no way. Now, on kind of home. Now, intimate find Yajuma. It's answered Yajuma. Have a boy in there. Amen. Your first was that my proud sponsors. DBS Industries Limited. Tiom Swanama, sorry. Are losing trusses. Papa. Beje. Never echo bo or dinosaur. On said before the roofing sheet be good dinosaur. No. As I say, wouldn't we guso? That's the no I will be a but say and we chum. Because in we are abay and ye papa. What I say? In we are aban and ye papa. It won't she ye pet. Not just say a quacoye asembi fufro. A bassa a cabibre. Minim crofo bre alma bomb dinosaur. I say a 2 dinosaur a boss of raw. Me papa say or ye be. Then it's in a year says that time. Almost 2 roof ni nephews were on the board dance over now is you to can also be share the entire building in papa of Nemenza. Almost 2 chances in nephew. I'm going to say, and die and papa precuna. I do also go through it. You know, so this time, then I'm saying, at the end, we are no way and correct precuna use everything. And we are bad these days. 1 year now, or Chinabi. Bones of food that one in Yanibu and warrior na feebu. A bassa just also padan soon as and papa. What's answer there be. Beje are losing trusses, maybe. We are not there. A lighting weight and pro and yashi zubu head then we are bonus at the eternity. Now, and sounding chance in a good dinosaur. Your more 100-year warranty. Also, we had shark on the expenses road, Ofie Kwanso and Chibian would papa restaurant. Obefra 0240 844 444. And we cry Kumasi for Befra 050 600 4141. Natakradi for phrase 050 600 4242. Afe door master and put my paint depot. And also say a nay. Yan she be briaba. Ya de boa na watimi abo o dinosaur kama. Hey. Now watimi de apon SSU dino. Oh, doors, papa, this is dino. That's what I'm talking about. Now we know mom quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Come pa. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Obesa enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on our quality doors. Say exterior steel security doors or internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, and now say armor doors, wooden metal doors, and now say wooden panel doors, glass doors, and now flash doors, and now crab bathroom doors. Nina no you'll be all prices also there a day pa ya butum ebesoso. Obani painter from where you partner with News Paint. Ma churches, schools, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers now. Say, Momeji paint paparibi, News Paint, Mofanko paint modano. Yes, spread this kanamam na Muntian kakra wa Brian for interest bia entoso emamon. Euro standard paint no. It be acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, afei potty, any paint accessories ahodo ni nyina. Pacho be hu ye hia kwan of the Accra Kumasi highway. Ye wo Pobiman toll booth wana. Se ugina Pobiman toll booth wa. Bo say shop na ne ho na. What you say? A two day phrase 0542 745 222 and our face 050 021 2447. Na ya dinkita hon. Fe kama pa. Na afi so as they do on your farmer MTN everywhere you go. MTN Eddie 25 years. Na bra you so are celebrating a 25th anniversary. They catch you and say why are they pass on here now for all these years? They sent you know and no sorry no pa. Our first call of the day is on us. So just call any MTN number bia. Now wakasa for 25 long minutes for free. Ewa bra untua hwe. Sa hwe ene de ma on. Temu akopem the 30th of June 2021. Thanks for being with us and for us for the past 25 years. So go on and make that call because it's a good day to be on MTN. Let's go. MTN, everywhere you go. Terms and conditions, HD. Tiane no swashe, na washe no so. Amaye. All right. 10 minutes after 4. Na yebeto aso yako yenimu. And they be busy. ABC super. All right, so one great man, the birthday. Yes, one powerful man of God. And I want to take this opportunity now. Me wish you a happy birthday. Yes. You be our friend Pastor Frank. On your soft be on purpose to be breeze out. Pastor Frank can be our friend. But or Dr. Papa. Yes. So happy birthday to you, Dr. Frank Ofosu Apia of All Nations Church, Caris House, all the way in Atlanta, Georgia. Papa Nyamisha na onton kwandem onyo kese na onfa nkoswa enye ne nwuma ne koswa na touch lives. May God bless you. Enjoy your new age. Happy birthday to you. From myself and the entire family, and some family in you will show well. Cherry Justice.
Shese washada pa eyi achia diera wedding na fimuni nyina obi atwen yakobi. Na ukodru hɔ a emanko enson ene wo satare kro no a.
Suruko eno bia ne won say eno ntina say your voice data ana SMS mpo a MTN just for you ayenhye ya ebebo wo ankasa brabo kama press *141# ana hwehwenya wo pe e wo man MTN app ne so na gye wo MTN just for you hye ya ebebo wo papa e wo Ghana kasifidi ba ko preso a obia nto no free say we are good together everywhere you go.
No one can love like a mother. No one can protect them like you do. And now that schools have reopened, it is important to protect our kids from anything that could make them sick. That is why Nido feeds your child with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin C to help strengthen their immunity. Nido, your love, their future. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Benjamin! Kweku! Nkwadai na wa he. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from my anopotutu to say.
Pepe se waboa me. Na me de momo no. Ama ni sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie Jaisa. Say momo aye easy cra. Obetimi afre wo momo. Eno an say obedial 170. That's all. Mami chiro.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayemre sei. Na de bia me keke mo friend kwadai. Chia. Afa.
Ma, o frame.
The dada afei na waba. Eye jai. Niama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi betwa wo momo. Eno an say wo be frɛ 170. Na watie wo momo manu no e wa kan aibe nkran. Brofo dagbami ani awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170 and dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media, I make ready. With GoTV, BBR setting. No size. The players, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, to 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on SuperSport. With GoTV, so now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papebi, Awunyan wo baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per kwaji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Adom FM 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Air top.
If you come, wait and all day, make you press the bell. Isn't that sorry. Come on. Sorry. If you they make you press the bell.
no be one I'm a koya channel. Hello, hey sister, miss my people. TikTok, my single chamegano, ne one for. Nine saying small boys are trying to be so stubborn. Make them know say when we come out pet them with the phone. Especially after taking my sweet John. Book shine the Rastafari, no say we are go done. Book shine TikTok X, no we are go done. Book shine the Rastafari, no say we are go done. Book shine TikTok X, no we are go done. Okay. And come on, who was I? Come on, be switching. You what you want, you what Rottweiler. You what people. Hey. You what short one, you what take longer. Take longer. Take longer. Oh man. Throwback, papa. Tick tack. Back in the day, y'all. Beware of dogs. And it features X-Do. And now, some lady cry, lady home girlfriend is a cry. Some lady group you on by said 3 MO say, I forgot her name. She's also on this track. Some ladies, Charlie, I want for a baby cool. Come it down. My dogs can bite. My dogs can bite. Beware of dogs. Watch your mothers. Hey, Triple M. I don't have another person who can have it. Triple M. Wow. Quick action on me. Charlie. I want for a baby call. Do Thursdays now throwbacks and kakai anyways, we a bit taking to around the world in 5 minutes. What's Scouts? And then see what I want. And take it different forward. See what Says Scott.
Jerry.
Says Scott.
Jerry.
Some can say Ed there answer na afunibe ko na wie no mo abo. Ene una uteto krowi. Yen come yen kese yen chechim. Etu there yen go straight to the point. Yen go anim. O de ho de men ka bi. De yen ntia ene ugina homa so no. O de men chechim. O de yen go anim.
Brother Rooney bibi.
There be mini bibia.
Say unim say bishia obi no ka kire me say aya wo ka kire brother Jerry say oya wo bra peni. And obi say me say why are we related by blood? Na me say no, we are related by yogurt. Na asama wo bi say me.
That's not very crazy. We are related by yogurt, eh?
Yogurt. Now they are be say me say nipa ye me I will say are we related by. Brother,
yeah.
Can I ask you something?
But Boko.
Yeah, Boko.
Yes.
Brother, you wouldn't say Ghana, or Babi or Yoko, Bia, James and Hofe.
Hey, still old to
oh, yeah, could do it.
What's up? Or Bako Kobia and Adrian is anywhere for all.
Ghana had the problem I want to know. Or Baby or Yoko, Bia, James and Hofe, Brady. Yanyanisa. Brady. African Kwan, a Ubehu Obia or your gym instructor, or Kuta pot belly. African Kwan.
Now, or the Tating Crawford, Jim. Or the
Tating Crawford. Jim instructor work with a pot belly.
Yeah, so
ought to be how to get 6 packs. Jesus Christ. Welcome to Africa, brother.
Thank you.
Brother, can I tell you something now?
Good.
Young Ransom, we are not about what tweet.
Okay.
Brother, young South Africa. In fact, all is set. Local election, no. In Pennyford, just say BBI ready, and Chibium the Beshisha.
Okay.
And to Ghana, Hana or South Africa, who couldn't go to Abadi BSROP. I BBI is set. Local election, Basso, giddy. And as some Ketwa. Now, Brother Rudy say Nigeria for a smartphone.
Nigeria for a smartphone.
Made in Nigeria smartphone.
Your friend is saying?
Made in Nigeria.
Phone is made in Nigeria.
I saw my smartphone, but I made in Nigeria.
All right.
Yeah, made in Nigeria smartphone. I'm a president, no correct with Bini Adia, Buhari as I'm Miki.
Okay.
Ekute Bini Adia, I and Yasam Ketwa. It's a brother, maybe some question like Ghana. Yakechana, a baby.
Say, Mimpesa may advert now. Drink you, Krumo. Drink near the pa now. Meet me, Gino Bunch pa now. The another say, yeah, when the Kushi free one born Kakra. Before no drink na you know. Now him say Ghana for I entire you say I can dey only adi. Obi dey introduce to me first time now. Me boy na call me sala no. Ene jamia na me so akwa ade na we are na kokomlemle mo ya am to na chem say drink no kra say e made in Nigeria and I'm sir oh ade dey na me made in Nigeria say I me too was me wrong when I'm saying oh sir ne grofo o my ade fa because ade
brother ya say mo Ghana ya
yeah e ku video say e de papa ezo o pe bi atokra wunya anytime bia me pe bibia je se me sheda e kra obi chese me dwen wa me ntiaze o pe bia atokra oh ya say mo
brother Uganda almost first lady uni me say nyame Adom mama say repoint ne say on be education and sports minister we retaining the seat no
okay
with this one who say ne djuma no esweni nti o ma find the same position no asema no
okay
nti sisi ade enije nko a o frame me say obey get together bi membra but baby sisi an me no ka say me wo Canada nti na me nti na ma me this studio no nti na mo fa nche me pa abrofo no mo ano so mo hu me o mo hwe me sa o mo hu kasa na American nti normal
you yeah try
I don't know.
Oh, David, that's all kind of say.
Brother, can I tell you something?
Go on.
Ghana need be in Tiadi we are making. Brother, we on Babumio, Omumbumio, Omunji. Brother, would you say a maon? Almost different kind of panties, but I am and sape.
As I mean, again.
Maminchum. Who say almost normal one or almost say your friend a normal.
Scott.
Yes.
We are sure say BBI fine every.
Oh, BBI fine. Brother, me chile wa di bio Ghana yesu adi.
Miti.
Omo ba ko your friend a normal pan. Your menstrual one ho. And he is coming. The also ewo. Ai. Ebia no bi nim and me chire. And he is coming. If the bema na ba yawo di obehye. Yawo dia but so many no bu nin san so o hye. And I want normal one. Aye.
Okay.
We
make sure that can was
Debbie men can be.
All right.
Bradley.
Yes.
Before I'm a code, my main fast winner. And bar almost change of subject. I want mathematics. They like jumping from one man to another. Aye. And now almost pay change of subject. Almost pay jumping from one man to another. And you know the idea that almost cry almost Yahweh. And
Yahweh that they are near. Why?
Yeah, into that you look at him or die if you could be KJB.
Yes.
Next a wokan.
No way JB.
Na way JB. French in the catch was a Javel Capel. That is a gradually make a tete then or Chamava can who
that's it. So that was Around the World in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Still doing the Throwback Thursday. Let's go in for another classic tune. You will love this one. I won't tell you the title nor the artist, but Well, just let it play. As soon as it drops, you see what I'm talking about. Throwback Thursday here on Adom 106.3 FM. Let's go.
My home cat, mommy cat, obey your home for the message. Me, I can't and then you must say, crudging, and then to say, painting, it's me to say, home, shed him home, make my coma. Remember the bone who I was still dread to me, sense from I see me your side, and with a prank when you want to have a cat. I Jimmy and Cassancasa, me no be in a man, I can't, I sank in the bema, when him send him cat, I share me my anya dear befa, me who none of me Jimmy Brim, you be booking, can't me dream, I see I don't go so kicking, share, said your tail, when I'm sad here, him jump while it's running out here. Do what I see, Nigeria, and so when he and say what country, if you're brand here, me and I'm here, me you're this shit. Okay, so structure form. Now no boy yourself on top of a case we are to mobile to Sony Popo so me no and then you got then you bring a casa and then to be na picture Manuso Smekare so what to I'm more fair when you say BBC and I wish share cafe only papa will be or do the dead but you go so your one day be pepe the dead a day how the same Brahmin chain made over food with chain see comes to your game yeah with the I'm a sermon chain we to pain to them why shine yeah can't with my one casa and then guy and then hey I'm back me try my sakwan to so papa different me dada my friend oh mama and he did dada or baby see about what can no more one powder abba and rubber abba shada one I'm yada so shada then shada family cover here ba warakasa baba ratata Ajagadu, Atutu Jagu, Kanu, Yanani or say tutu, Yakukwe do, Rutai, Abedu, and Obeka, Roots, Kasama Hanya Butu.
Baba Young Crowd, say what? Hey. All right, so this one is coming in from Achame. You know, then times is it will be half anyway. That's what Achame, Kwame, and Kofi Achame. Yeah, Achame. So this one, bread, and it features Mr. Rutai. Yeah. Achame, mama, me from
Peno credits and that make us a bois, many who say, Medium Kia and intro, Benjamin Tata, just an open intro. Pedia in the city with you, a trap for you, and you be called up me in your mouth. Foxtrap, Yabeko, Podium, Yabeko, Kiravi, Yabeko, EMS, Obeso, what can we get you to one? Where you point for that ship, you can't grab them cash. Hear me say, what can we get you to one? Where you point for that ship, you can't grab them cash. Hear me say, what can we get you to one? Where you point for that ship, you can't grab them cash. Mommy come and say rap jagadu or to jagu chanewu or say to nana ha 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 or jammy kwame may you
TikTok, fly. TikTok, fly. Tick tock, me teach me boy. Oh, feel me not quitting, gag. 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 Come on. Everyone, po. Everyone, po. Flumina, Mamma Mia, so you are young, I'm in the public. I for Mamma Meka, Namika, no, Becca, and we be fabbing away. Die, Opiato Chawa, this is a tree. I have to start at the hay. Nana Masoa, what a fay. Flumina Mutumu, die, or the cover books of records. See how, Philo, and what with the quay. Opiato Bank, become nine, all my tick at our basic hall. Jai, I'm proposing Rabbit Clay. Opiato Puma, or Becca says, excuse me, I'm afraid. I just say, Diablo Pofano, and I was the first just ask for other way I can touch. You can send to my cat, yes, what? Yamwa, would you for effects on the back? I say, hey, below 50 practice of the cassette. Yo, and Jablo, why?
Free Kumasi Braka. Now, Kotokoni has the bubble.
So, Castate, Kotokodi one go. It's a go. Opera Pia man is a so. It's a go. Wake on, so what? And the men would train. Some catch out that. I dear friend, Jow, Amalama, a year we want, Adom 106.3.
All right, so music at the back is coming in from TikTok, and this one features Nana Kwame and then Obrafo. Yes, Ghana rap software. Nana Kwame near to her. That's right. Nana Kwame near to her. And let me see if I can jump or skip forward and get to Obrafo side. Horna me feeling on kakra here there. Oh, kwara kwechika. Yeah. That feel Obrafo real.
Oh gosh, I call back your posh. Before you have flowers, the baby, one touch. Let me last, I go to my spectacles. Let me watch. Oh, back, Flumina. So I feel the China, police in a Yokozuna. Baby, I am a Jericho, Kena. Shashaka, and me, Kura, so make up, confusion.
And then now confusion by side. Yaman 24 Casania Fire Gator Sports and Twasso.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. And we're China so far Twasso.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Ofie Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Now they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
nice one. Over
the open program one denisham fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good.
Open.
Kwame Akwaba.
Kwame Joso.
Na what to say?
Ehun ye na house of focus so ehun ye still la no nyame adom. Ensuo to dia so still la league ya na that top.
Ade ensuo to ense go bi that top.
Ka be ye kusukuku na bia kopim table na dwiri ama kotokofo ti me be house mu akọ. Still la bia bia da na da obutantim. So what you na oak tree no yemu ubusu kwaku ni mo oak tree.
Yes.
Ewura ni nyina ti me se enough pa na wo pa. Ewura ni nyina be so ka se ewua no no. O ye kwa ye se kobubu dia ko ye ja. Be wo na say green.
Yeah.
Ha, nti na fe oak tree no. Nti house so ho ye pa. Kwaku na ma wo se utro back sa.
When day.
Na kwaku ade na ye ma udum work condition e wo ka mu.
kamu. If me control temperature na say still cold to my liking and me do no.
And no and afedi
am me ankasa na have been advised not to use it too much. Say first na me the energy say me find condition na biem. It is a metena kam kwa na me na ya dogs do a.
Okay.
Me a metimi dum na ma bo fresh air ka.
Obani me bisa wasem. Oda ya me ka hu me coffee abi na wodi me nchemu. Na hu kai air condition wo awie ebo but na wadum no. E den na ma wodum air condition no.
Air conditioner na say onzi moto na emre. Ebo heat.
It is a motor ni kura gina so a. E den na ma wodum no.
O say ye adwuma pa dia menum ne rough.
Sawa.
O ya.
We obi a say ye adwuma ma ni gina so sa.
O ya me ma ni gina so.
Kwakudia no petrol se mo kan wo.
Oh,
petrol dey say o so wa.
Eka is a petrol na de. Kwame omo aye omo tai eka say you know. Just be as a car no problem as a car na shall say no fuel. No, because
air conditioning near some time.
Dabi at the engine would air conditioner engine no me. Engine goes running fuel equal na be kwa.
Comedian dem so AC in there na be. Car no there. I'm so condition car.
AC so no.
Amanim no more.
Ebi a filter no more thing.
Okay, there is a ban extra work. It
now we say so AC pa car no kura no let esu ko soro.
Now we can say extra work.
No fu an papa. Enti na me ko ayi on station. Atimata on station. Total.
Yeah.
Mr. Boafo.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Boafo.
Me ko na me glass no for na say adana Mr. Boafo. Kakra me beto me so pe be san san Kwame. E free na go si Monday so condition. Ti me to you say book kakra go so ma me. Ti we dey me to ntia kese dey amana.
Mr. Boafo.
Ah, on dey djuma for Mr. Boafo.
Okay, Mr. Boafo you to check.
Pe na sem panade ba ko pe na me mpe wona ho.
Say.
Ikotoko sem.
Why farmer? Obi aye wa do esi. Obi aye wa do esi.
When was the last time I has ni biye wa do e?
Has ni oni filling station.
Has opeti bon ko pota si sechi e pe has of
Papa no.
Abelu bisa place ko be ka.
Onye kotoko na chi di keke. Na ni bi anya ko.
No mere.
Makaka wo mu ame.
No mere.
What the class aso for ye.
En kan Olympics for dia one thing.
Na ai unofficial kaswa me
o films na ho fa na ka.
What to me nkra bia ya me ya say o se na mi sambe ase ni ade.
Ese anu
Oh mayor, me akura say mayor ne kafra na we dey mentimi nim say dia na say mahome ya na e bia wo so dey adu na.
Debi na ho fa na say kakra.
Oh mayor ne we dey fa cha me.
Say onyi ne bam.
Onyi
e posi wo.
Say edua nyina ne problem. Onyi say ye wo hoyi. Say enyi o.
Oh yeah.
Bi o ultimi say wapo no ti ba bi say fortune ya.
Oh na say say.
Me help say musa ai fita ba mabo sim.
Me dey na say fita mpo kan dey nyere. Wa mo den ankasa pa. Kwame first no. Push ups yeah. Some so no pa ma soil fresh up ma tiesi free pass no. Me nya butu fom ho a. Metimi akwa 100 straight.
What do push up now dey hwe?
Wo dey tie. 100 straight. Me wia ne me home say tre. Say oh
50 credit
50
sa ho feli dia be 50
me do 50 or not say me
pege a oba me ntia wo da che say oba da me kra me na so mani so mani ni ma yi gina so na dia che ma say say kra e bu kra no me hu ari say ade ache onyi ni bia no
na say one na coach Ben na buy na the team is 1-1 na
kwasi afia
Milo so sa Milo best start sa I'm going to so the 1-1 sa for finance
and the 1-1 you jira wa cheva
kokunya is onyi no
because maybe 1 no aya na eni kwaso man how che say 1 bi ho aya na mu ye
kwaku because the 1-1 na so me ka say no ahode ne say first nipa hoden so at onyi abam
obani ayi hwehwe oje nwuma yesa open man Mr. Opa.
Mr. Opa.
Na why is that here for piano as well?
When you say a press up here man you can say. Say so no mani je ho pa na. Nya nkwanhia ma me say. Ana say. Ya mu say me oh obani jai. Me say me want to me. Me yes say me ye bi metega.
Sanu Mutrobia. And I'm saying, hey, Adiana. I don't cry, Madame, in some comes to me, I'm homebook on a down from them. Tom was sorry, and I'm saying, and yeah, the other day to me, maybe Honoma.
No, but me, I do. So, continue, you because I know never.
And you're not ready home, catch your man. I'm a rough nipple.
And I mean, you, Rantan in my bow, I'll come myself.
How do I start to? Sana start ya. Oh, udeti. Me loop udeti. And one I start to say.
When I am with the chairman and Yaji. Now, some people need their famous. Yeni America so. That's why we are mining. I can't remember as well, see. Oh, come on, some Aquada who Dachian and Yaji. Open it, Trinity and the round. Cora was some fun, and Mintam Kessen and me was Memranti Rebel and I mean, you, Rantan in my bow. I'll come myself. So who you man for the copy? Now so what I want is empty my name when so there.
We made the Kwanso.
My
how there's some demo.
I'm for you now, Jamie.
And we'll be able to we made the Kwanso on there.
We say on because we do ministries and the time was one. That's all called retirement. When investing for free about Sebre, why in the swap? And you go on around Nepal, but it was.
If you remember, you know, so bad.
You're but Uti a Haina. I was say, if you're because Hamry make us say, Ubi Hornmoa, who sees to say now, Castle Horning. So, and knee. Yadinti, Yadi Robber, I said, I didn't want to say. Don't so crown. This is a number for Jones or Jones or Costropa. Maybe Jones will be a fast easy. I see. Oh, my try, my try. Oh, my then I think. Then I think. They say, okay, PVC pipe. And they say, I don't be bridging is you. I want you to move, Mr. Twanswan, and you may say, a bossy, Madame Messiah, Colebi, and you may be a Maya. I said, I come out, do a jack for my food for all. I said, Wama instrumentalist be here, you know, on one and no bob. But I said, is an idea. Obu to London. You win your number as I meet to make us a mine. I am a buffla. I dream of some said them one day. Yeah. On a weekend, you also not album. I think Sunday, album lunch. Or no, I cry and I turn idea. Yeah,
Body and Wabbit.
Say, and Rasun and a movie birthday, no.
Yeah, I'm already there. Say, I'm belated in
by Rami, me starting program, no, my name, I wish there'll be an and run an end to obey. And run an end. There be the many wish you advance. Yeah.
Top Taste from the CEO of Top Taste Restaurant. On that, my phone now, I'm say Amore. Happy belated birthday to you. Yeah, there's this sad story here. I'm very sad to start the show on a very sad note.
Hey, they are crazy.
There's this sad story
here on on a sad note.
It's not those who sad stories.
I want to repeat what I said. There's this sad story.
Social studies.
Yeah.
I said there's this sad story here, and I'm very sorry to start this show on a sad note.
Okay.
What is wrong with the English I'm speaking?
So go on with the sadness.
Come on.
Okay.
There's a teacher for
that means you are wet.
When you are sad, you become wet.
Oh yes, when you cry, you get wet.
Wet to the air, wet to the brother.
I don't know wet. No person will movie.
Wet to the air, when you grow.
It too soon home for.
Wet, you're okay.
And you're wet. When you cry, you get wet.
In Subonswa, you get wet. In Subonswa, you get wet
again.
Because I have wet different thing.
Every wet is wet.
Wet, remember my wet normal. About wet,
sanitizer. I'm getting wet.
Yes, so now his palm is wet.
My hands are wet.
And when a woman says I'm wet, it's different. Does it mean something?
Say. And so create me bunity.
And so bunity, she's wet.
Let's go. Teacher form a year.
They said all the chingo on FM. Hey, me who be does will be FM and you manage to go down and to tack. Hey, come in.
Yeah, no, I know some you win. Say, Anna, we are at the time I console Nass and one I am where Saturday. If you are doing something, if you are both say, that's what I am where Saturday and who poor is Anna.
Oh, no, lava. No, I am Banku.
That's all we are around the studio hands there reaching go. Also crying a DJ. No, I can say be a man.
I don't count me and also crank and tell me.
Oh, no,
what can watch up? We are seeing
the good Tiana and half a channel. And the pump people may tear show you. What can we be? I know be sending a I didn't acquire my Facebook. My body didn't Facebook. No, your Facebook message is between kind in your head. So far, message 517. Go through.
Go through.
Why?
Yesterday.
I can born in the one trip. Oh, over here, no fairly geography. So try when him say what the way you're good for sex.
And now story here, Musama, and I'm
Muzama Disco Christo Church.
Primary school. I was Muzama.
Yeah.
And I started natural Musama. Masania Spenana. Muzama and Sani.
This is one could be no.
Yes, I was Sankori.
Be a big crude.
Teacher for some back demonstration. When they tell me demonstration. Crewman school demo no Mujaman.
Oh, that's a story in there. Yeah, baby. I want to be wrong.
It's a sign.
Oh, yes, our stories will be blue.
Is it school? A Janana,
and only sad, and I say. And I said, Anna, boycotting of teaching. Which one?
The problem.
24 and the wine tire.
Almost yet a private boom, the petty one. I said,
I'm going to
Bakubi Bas, almost news way. I will tell you, almost said that is spreading them. I
would have a crow for
I don't know, crowman, not why I saw Kwashu Gu account. Almost the news were years ago. This one, number copies, Yari Mango, no grandson, no Miss
Nibiane Ishimun. Why did you fry over Conan son?
Why? And then Papa ni was a son, Sanko de Unibasa, just a one now, and then the Muda open to my young friend this year. Or say, happy birthday to or that day said Kweku and San Ubri, aka Yellow, MD of United Pension Trustees. May your day be filled with joy and happiness from Honorable Nyabro and all other there 87-year group members. To where the ultimate say emu da oboko kra anti papa ni so far goes and see how the buy na music.
Asama me can you won say stories ni bia babasa.
Yeah. Oh no, it's not a good thing. That one
and say a simple.
Yeah.
According to the story no, say ajanan bia and said the any cronim.
Na Jamaica the baby hwese me say nka bi e ga say e janan bia ni wa omutimi nko nwuram dan to go today.
Second is uncompleted building. Kwaku say the youngsters were hobet go jawana with the youngsters. What say the youngsters be we ya ya. What go jawana. School here too gated. Wo security man wo. Going forward necessary start to say baby. Yeah.
Amen. Okay. A brass will say to the be also a kind of creature.
No crane the way.
Inti omedwuma na fine.
Say you from Waduma Obiara and said the Emma.
Gintia.
It's answer Yamaya say abayanku and any partner sonku. Sana
that's our problem.
What could make out here?
You feel say be I was buying it.
Wasafuduma ya wa mo ye no.
Du ewo kromu
ya ba mana keke.
Na ya de bre ni ade akata ho na ye na school dem ne ba.
Yeah, just no aban mama ye de say be ko school dem.
I'm telling you.
But aya na ha dwen batamanyofo na so ka ho. Ade na si toilet kra de ho ho ho. Say me si toilet be tazi.
Obitim ko bia no kra toilet mu anu free.
Si toilet be tazi.
No afala cruise anu be makoma 8 ya ko bia toilet anu ma sa ba. Fu no kra so betim kra toilet foforo. Dikwa kwa de we.
Nti ono manana unim say den a wudidie no beja anan. Onyu ba bia obeja anan egu. Da bia de bi ho no mo.
Ba de onyu ho sa just kan wansa.
Onyu ho say.
Ti san korefo ampanifo mu tie yen. Monko say school yi na monko mwa. Say school na mo beje ho say ne obi antimi nkomu a monye. Nya san so dia community no na mo pe agana ni bi dia mo dia. Na because we are sure say kwaku say agana bia wo ho e affordable. E wo ho a nya sure say obi pe say obekọ ayi. Na me hwe documentary bia mpo no ma ko kire ma. Say obi wo mti champ na no. Ba wonu bi da. Ya chem because kokoro bi tesa de obi ya chem. Ayi e ma ko ha de me ma ko ha.
Epona no.
Yeah, somebody me call me krama say na wo ye madiem. It say oula no me say oula me nya dem exercise. And organic na me say all the man twa to me man ko.
Omo ache.
Ya chem
yo baby wo kra na.
Ma side me ma side.
Ayi. Yeah, inua ayi says ayi Andy. Onwo enkro mu hwe. Ya said there si toilet no ho. Omo san e wo animu kakra me ba say be 200 meters. Asa no ka kudu epu no. Omo san toilet no kopo na no. Ebo na ye de aye si defense no. Omo say su nyina. Ebo na e sampo na no ni die ba kugura ni won mo abeko na encheche. Ya share ni che.
When you decorating.
Oh, yes, kuli ha.
Me wa toilet no so wo ho no just some few meters.
Na wo bi da. Ebi wa. Akra bi wa.
Ebo kama unse we sabon so efe pa wo betima tena so na wo hwepo no. Omo say su nyina. Me share that video crowd ha.
Enso ye tu kwan ko ba bi na ye ko tratra bi so ko pictures.
Beach
ba. Na make. Ye we kan ya.
E ko tena obi beach na nani age se o ko obi beach. Ni wa apo no bi da.
Me say de wo kan sa abo no de ni bi no. Wo ko ayi wo Dubai ayi we ya. Wonya ye bi wo sa ayi on from Senkra. Sa Atlantis ayi Palm Jumeirah was one away. I'm out for pictures for us. Ah, where down could you?
No, you partner.
Now, you send a pum. Now, sorry, fish ya. No, oh, yes, simple logic. A pumuna fish ya. No, pupunaudi.
I don't dare mamma down.
I didn't bet my manager. I said, my better. Then he bet my year. One I bet you. One I bet you. I am you.
I drink baby baby there be no when they are you me say krowe mu bibia be ya eno number 1 na yemra me free cars en we yen and one na make sure some na ye adwuma no emra no ho ba obi anke that is why obi aye de opi
see me be no me free achimota side on e new overhead no new overhead na se no what up kroma no se bia even walk over no cry ya fa kwa so onam ase ya hwe ya lodu ne ma de fa ase mi atwitwa ase ka bia akofa condemn ne sana de na de ni bi no ejina ho because olodu ama na brusu nti otimi fa ase etimi fa fun ka me frɛ chief inspector chief superintendent amen and I'm say police car be di machi banam police car by the dey oduru a say hwehwehwe me police car no so enya no kra no
enya no no odwen
but baby a say kaka na gina kwa vinvinza no police car duru on na first obey so pack no say gate no pack
emfa no ye wo mra bi okromas obi timi gina car mfinfin a woni say what traffic na o siesie ne car ayemra
obi yeden
kan kwan finfin e poku asem say ye ba koma ye ndeba ana obese ka bia drinks wo mu asi ho ana wo bia ne tini so na all repair car no ho traffic na ti sa akodru bia forest for no no from you amasama yo
Kwame ideally senka eban sa na ye tow car no off the road ena yakwakọ attend to but se be ye no no yasem
ono ko wa inconvenience
I mean now the kwaku kan yesi we say no so sa last hona the same hona oba kubusuru ba yiwe ma traffic or course was arch motor old by the aswe
omu di twi ade na say yan da ko be wan say
na abuagu say ma be kan happen say even here wonim say trucks akese yi a omu di free neighboring countries yi be yi e be fa nema hwe say de omu lodu no tin okwa boko no mo de bobo yen over the assesa
over ba ko ha say ko Mr. Boafo mo no enu say kaka kra bebu
wonim say ame
ena me kan
asema me kan wonim say omu lodu omu cars ne sa na yeso omu kodu omu akakra no modum krom a omu oboda town bi ho omu kodu a no mo agina na another car ba then they offload no watch say no omu aye normal load no dey akran gu another car before they enter their country but I had your ba ha onim say mra anya adwuma ye nkra police anya safe akakra bi ni ade na omu dey atwa for no mo kosa what I say ka say ene ade tete a nti mra anya adwuma no sa na be koso a
na me ye national job mo ye say kwaku wo health insurance ni bi national health insurance obi
me obi
who you soon
cried last time I
use amani so ACP unti ACP unti we dey on fanchami yes
kwaku me so wo national health insurance ni bi
obani last be on my etwa bi o ha no
when I say bana we na renew
o da bi I don't know say 5 years me sure say SM wallet nkwa
me dey me card na mo kura me nim ba bi o
okay say dey bia
mechanical
Saturday na enwure na minya accident Saturday am yes card I won be adwuma man ma any am say ebewu 2024 in
we dey go hospital
Debbie
me ya wo nyare wo
me nta nyare die and I say your a company insurance.
Now say ya me call ye checks na ade ye de me the company dey na me de call di
kwaku ane say
company dey cra say 6 months me na we so me nyu sui say me catch up say nka ya wo first ka na ma me
na de wanyare
and we den
nka me fa
when say nka me de me di mumpa but
ene no so wa ya e say have
kwaku I suppose say bi aba na I suppose no to say crofo a mu so health insurance no and say come here say ko do hospital ya mpese
mate ho asem so mo kan ho ayi wo bia so nsem mete so mo kikan ne ade
na adent say ba ne sa ko
minim de nti say ba ne sa
unim say policy bia ba kromo afefefe ye ti o say ne ba ba ye no kwado wani age but as the policy rose no na fe de ya makwan ama maggots ye de Komi e policies ni mu.
Enye ni hema kwan yo.
Na de
nipa na ewo kuru mu no. Obi abu no.
Yes kwan doctor for no afa so agi sika gu obotom.
Obi abu
Omo ye duma hospital na o. Sika no so ankwa ban ho. Hwese obi nyem no oba bewo. Na wo timi ka tell say health insurance de on twen. Awo so ye omo ye twen. Na say o sika de a na wa magi sika na ma hwe no. And nobody gets punished for that. It's an man because sa. It's an say obi omo mo yesa anyama de hu omo se mo so aya mambofo ka mo mo adwum. We am say obi adidi na adwuma ho. Odi di adwuma ho say dai. Say ye radio ke ba ha ye wi mic ni bi akoton ana ase de. Ana ye ni ye hwe aya no for de. E be didi adwuma ho pani. Ye ba na ke tu kwasi mic ni bi.
Enkofo susu jijisika enkofo ke kan ma se mom.
Radio ni sa.
Obi e bopo ya.
Journalism for.
Ebi bopo pa.
Ebi di wo.
Oh yes.
Adwo na ye nyina ye ndin.
Oh yeah.
Ebi sangwan pa.
Ebi di twa manum.
Ana kriwa.
Ayi unipa so trend na.
Obi nim.
So Sera Elia na me kai. Condolences. he condolences the people akofa we na dia ba we say Kenya we am minim say washa asoya asekro ya sorry o me minim say na yes and yes what baby green ho ti condolences ya na mama sa tenenka say o gumu kwano no say ade na wa ya phone guso
the batisa no ntre say ringing tone ko
okay ndio ga de mamenye we ni film na me mo we
ringing tone nko na we ni
Synagogue Church of All Nations church members
and the wife
TB Joshua wife and the family that in fact IGWC in European Church, we are here to condolences you.
To go, so the starting of Ross will come of Popo Biamo.
I will jai. Yamini Payan Service, I just
Synagogue Church of All Nations, church members.
Oh, Miss Maswell, one years I did.
Na fa to vibe keke na dwon way.
Talk me to vibe so from
This any other iPhone na papa na.
Where Jana one.
Ogwana. Ikwawe.
Obi so ni fiashe.
Obi fiashe.
Ja ato obi fiashe say. I said 3 children battling for lives as parents die in fire outbreak.
Oh. Diamond abom. Ene.
Omo. Say aje kwadwo. From my West constituency ho baby. And as aje kwadwo. Kwaku kromo anso unse ejanso yanwi ja ho kra. Wo fire extinguisher wo fi o.
Dabi.
Kanokra. Obanyu obi.
Dabi.
Jeko ebi wo mu fie.
Mini bi bat mo plan say me people.
Anye o.
But ade bi o well.
And I so fire hydrant so e. Mo area mo
hydrant.
Aye.
Dabi.
Mo area ho gina ebi ni ho.
Ebi ni ho.
Oba ni area we bi ho.
Fire hydrant. Ebi ni ho. Ebi ni ho. Mi hu hydrant bia o me.
Ya di nyama dia grow kroma o.
Ebi ni ho.
We almost nyame na dum nyame na dia.
BBC a nyame fa sama agimia me.
Abroche back so kon confront ti o kon etuatua.
Agime the host. Agime the host ko tua tap.
Me have film na broche ba so a. Wo so be park kwan confront nam na nkramanya. We say hydrant ntuatua.
Mo hwe film na abroche ba so a. Na film na nya broche.
Wo dey ntimi mbo. Wo say broche film wo.
Yeah so.
Na kwaku efisi a wo night club am ya bounce da.
Me. Ya club na me peko na makona ya sa ko bounce me.
Ya wo club am ya bounce da.
Dabi mi anga sa me nye club.
Me club na me peko na makome me ko club a. Just I should invite me. Special occasion bi ni adenti. Omo expect me that dino me do na omo ni manim na say me am share that was my sorry say me call club there. Me need that.
I quite throwback into na me dey masem we chire o.
Now there
na me wo aboso kan sa tam boy abakra on. Na kwaku say edrumre bi na ankra ha say ye can night club a Glens night club. Another name for night club. I want kra na ye Glens.
Me awe pa.
Enti me amadwen say tie bia no me ko Glens ni makọ hwe de tuam. Ti kwaku for be 2 weeks na me say whisker. Glens musika nko a. Enti me nyaga bi get no ton kat cake obeto etoye toffee. Condensed milk toffee.
Yeah.
No ton wa so ka oye fresh. Enti me amadwen say girl no was oni so di me kira no so di me de ko Glens. Akoma boy mi sika do eti girl no na madam for bi so ne girl and another boy na say Glens club. Me na me get di mani me aka me tare to say ewura mu nya na say euphoria dey to tare to
uchi no
kwa ku edru say Glens no di kan room first gate so na ko four steps no so na ko club ni man kasa enti say ya ma wo nkwa a ase ho no ano na ye yi wa firi mu ansa na enti madam fu ne koye ne girl ne koye ana me girl no so ekoye na boy ma ko kan no so ewura mu me duru na matwe mu ade ne sa to me wo say me nsan machi me ko tu mi susu ba club no na me hwe akwa no matwe no a da me bo no a kese bibi nche kwaku enkasa na me gere na me di ne ho yawo bia obi a onise mutumadi otie all full steps ne won say me microphone no anya issue but one say na chi ama me hwe me
the view forward ever
and again
onane na china o me yan chini si
o say microphone pim na se opa wa me ana on the boys no ewura ko kwaku nya nso mobile phone abusu a o ya ni watwe na me ni mobile phone obi ani bisa atam ni mpo Tata ma boso ka nipa wo mo bafo na betima kan wo. Beberebe, uni beberebe. No ya kan drama no. Beberebe ko fata. Na papa bi ne fa na natufuo.
I not to fall.
Oh, you can count the number of people
on that can be a non friend. Corandos and only first person. Yeah.
But me can you pay wo phone aboso kan me dey na me kwade me a first mind me ko fa phone we. Enti kwa ku guess ya ko di inside. And na omo chira na ko isi so ma me nko. Eti je se me hu de me dia gate na nim ko se me sanso in free ho e be pam me si abontin. Oh, no my day. Matade na enye, na me papa na enye. Kwa ku na me de ma re ho kotena ai white bells. Onimo. Na uzo Glen so course kakra white bells ni na me ti ai sad drink the day professor mascatella na me dey pa omo ai pie bi wo white bells so obi a wakodi bi da bia na e de pa meat pie
na ogb
me jera me ti akiri kwaku na ade no kra yem num nyon me dwisa ga ni wo mu ama na amafu etwiri wa kwaku me ti what na so no me san papa bo nko
what of people bo bi ga
e bia na kofo ebu amia ti me kodu akwa bi na fa ni Schwarzenegger o boso kan ade san na san ba e bouncer our plans ho ono oni me pie bro say o ko na so me back club one ya bounce me oni nko fon ko kasa ya de se be nko kwaku me ko ya me gay ba ko na ni ba ko na chi
wo mu twi na ni
jina kanta so ja say ya se ma no kra mfa ne ho
wa na say akosi
kwaku bi bu mani ani suo wan fo se bia ma
wan ko fra wa de na
kwaku bi fo se ma ntimi amamu na ke be hye kra ka obaye musomoso wo jemfifia ne sam yirunya wo soro
ye twi
no ko na ni ba boy na no kita ge no some of free friend agey yakoba bi on fa ge nko ba ye be pie no kita ge sana na life tie on the part to dey on for obi
so president yanka kwa na
ni ru mu pe mi say ge ni ja ope kwaku na me ru ahoma man trust class if you man sickness bi o tia me glance by force na me bisa say adent no bi ba club amutimi ba so mo mani mamu bi
so many factors
se club no imu o hye na moto mbon a ye ma o mfa o momone enko disturb grofo what I say
and I will remember to go get that
oh abani unse ba bia ye close to san bi kakra bi
na me smallish
and so some tom kankan so hwehwe ni mu papa if free kakra bi say
moto pasa moto club mo trasi
ana club ye go trasi
say yeah yes we pay we say
I don't ko nya enye e kwaro money saso e blue na kwa ku me ko ka mama be chiko twi obi moto mu a matade de mantimi anhye biu e bi dia no odi obani ase de mo sam ho na me ha say be chiko twi ni moto mu wa ma club ni ma anya me de biu kwa ku na si ase kotoko player na akobo I blast for me what you asem
yeah se me no abeka
that ma kan about social media so munya ho asem
oh kwa me
ase akobo blast for me he didn't say
Abelora Razak Abelora the safest pair of hands in the country as we speak oh yes
but open you play here na here
oh na say ndram be kan ho asem ha say ase oya overconfident if you ask so there you can food you afro no
you can for
chacha o ti ase se Ghana teams bebrebe wa hai keepers bebrebe wa hai ni you say wona kokoda national team pool mu na okoko yes petty mistakes na enye baako aye no it just imagine say when you say friendly match openi na ye ball bi aye bo Asamoah Gyan say penalty how many years ni 11 good years ni
so da say
11 solid years ni so da so boni din just one me was abre no wa say penalty bi ama ye
o say 50 something goals crama yempo
but that tonight da so boni tin so Ghana for any ye national team no
in the realms of black
you need space for mistakes
of penalty say no wanyan bibia back bi so steady ye pa kwaku wa uhwe sade ni right after the penalty no Asamoah Gyan so just because was a penalty keke obani unse
he's one player ya boni din o Asamoah Gyan
am comfortable ko na mama so
chale
mama no yakobon fa the crazy comfortable ko na mama fie nya so me ba attack me
me se be si na bibi betimi asi on social media na ai bia obi a post ade no na then people will start commenting now we can if you know we can from nowhere better I blame Asamoah Gyan if he has scored that goal
I know
crowd
no maybe a break
Euro 2020 I am multimedia and I just see a stress so station bi anka ho yenya na edi bibia adwuma TV ni radio ni bi na ye say eye abrantes na pia abeka eye group ne ho group na ehwe maka bridge na koso no and Steven
so ba be pondit no
who say oti Adom TV so a na say woti aye ni bia so na say aye kitamudi a aye adwumaku ni na dia say obeboa ama Euro 2020 no and no ya de start say we yi matches ni bi just to whet our appetite for the Euro omo yi Italy match bi a Balotelli both 2 goals no a later cross akotana bench kai sa match
old matches
yeah old almost 30 year no nti say yes na we obi a we need ball no nko ade a obetwen say ochina next
ochina opening ceremony ni adi na
ochina kwa ahwe akwaku owie ni show
na bi ochina by now na me kra no
na udi kra no na say
nti ochina kra news kra no enumere ka se bo no nsia na ebe no nunum ne fa it's 5:30 ne be kan news ochina nti stay tuned ochina news enumere no 5:30
opani be kan no kra by 5 there na nye breaking news dia news nya ma boabo no dada nti dem no nsia no eno a be nya no
yeah we obi say Alisson Becker our Liverpool for omo keeper we mistakes be brave but at least ono aso na last minute okohye go bi a ebo a omo ma ba to for yi top keepers oh no but minimum there asema meka check keeper Ghana ni sa abotre no and I also ni nya you free mu afre pa ase be free obiem no ebe ye din anyway I say please wish gifty Apecon level 300 law student at University of Ghana Apecon APPERKON so no Apecon level 300 law student University of Ghana was happy 25th birthday na we free ne sister Hannah Apecon ene Gilbert Boating ejare omo damfa.
Okay.
Yeah. Opani, are you so pounds the Tyler or Ofie Kwanso was
I pounds.
Say happy birthday to my brother Elvis Ajimai, CEO of Fairmont Travel and Tour. I'll say I wish him long life and prosperity.
Okay. And PK Parkwesi kwesi jum.
Hey PK, it was all.
O shewa watonkra. I'll say special shout and comma Samson in the US na Wabedland ewo Ghana with the family on vacation inti omana kwaba na ochese Samson ya omana kwaba ba Ghana on fadwumadi ni agura chese otie empa
na okay US na US ni ba ko so de aba
okay
I say please can you wish my twins happy birthday for me I say omun din ye Nusrat ene Rafik
okay
Nusrat ene Rafik so ochina mom na ye mo birthday inti Nusrat ni Rafik we mo papa na asende special message de mamona wasere kwatenten ni ahoden
ene na ayi brapani so atonkraba Councillor George Lutrot ono so ose happy
no okroma
aba
other president
Councillor Lutrot say happy delivery day to my wife.
Hey,
Mrs. Councillor. Oh, dear, somebody may kind message. Oh, the mom kind message. I say happy delivery day to my wife, Mrs. Councillor Lutrot, on behalf of Philip and Frederick. From
Obanankasa Awoda.
It was from Reverend Councillor Lutrot. And then and my extended family members, wishing her long life in good health from above with more love. Tina, the honor to buy, I don't know.
Daylight road be a course war.
Me my video no to say to post and the police when near there. Eti
akrofoni amienu mbowura forest bureau DJ Casa de sepo apo mu di 2 papa
enti won kwa yan jo
police station ho ga o
na sa woni police station enye kwan bia sa
o kada foi
we
video na say
enti won kwa yan jo
ko kwa na magwaku kwa motor ni kwa report aba no mko we kwa report aba no mko kra First time saying Ghana, I'm still be catchy.
Oh, there be no lady no casa no say anti police into omo yes I dey corner police ma.
We dey nanka ataisi wo ayo NY for no.
I no pay ya me posti ba ko Instagram. Eno so minim so obi ne yiro se den o. Omo sie free eden mu a omo cross kwan na oba ne dwan na be ma no chesi na. O chin wo ka bi mu o kan share kan one of fire tuo no mienu pow. Edema oba no o wie no no ade tuo no si ni trim na kawu. Ono asa ku no
obani enano ye de ayi French mampani Macron na 7 no by na abante no nze wonya lawyer ni amana kotwitwa age no
na say den na ukura sika de obi kuna na etu okura den
asem copy wo
o mei mu anka asem wo fo
na kwa fa ni kokot akwa bi woni ka kokot su kufo
lawyer no so nsem okoka okoto emra na nkasa no
some way
abotwe ni mra
Oda Kinkana man for
I say on the case of the one who slapped President Macron, judgment in the slapping case has been delivered. The respondent
within 3 days.
Yeah, the respondent and his counsel were listened to by the judge. They based the argument on 1, the handshake which is prohibited due to COVID. Papa no ntia na o chacha ni na no
say dey tin yesem ye ntia no ate no say be chia anything no see na ni so
the safety distance 1 meter which is not respected who say we no be nyina ho say munya 1 meter oda montem but we dey ogina yi na chi pen o chacha nkrof
na njo ono akwa no ba bia no ogina no
ono so ne nkofo
ra Macron is of all men of 1 inch
on see them making akwa na nkasa ba bia ogina no nipa bebiri no ogina no ale na nipa ni ogina na 1 meter ni 1
hwehwe mo asum
on a target
so opinion na inimra ni ye
eti kwa kunyela mi ruwe no me two just say sadi eni ntina branch
o say as you know say these two relevant arguments were used by the defense lawyer to free his client. He got away with a 3-month suspended prison sentence and 1,500 fine just for assault and battery.
Semuni
got 1,500 bisu euro
obey
the lawyer papa no nya Kromo akra lawyer bia so ba be wachi
I'm just imagining say
obokufu do asum pe lawyer so could you open atam ko social media no ba be yo no was akọ open asum lawyer akra unya
ama lawyer ko twitwa age wa ma esi wanya trade na eja okra se kwa nka untimi nkofie oko
aso
okofie anwumra o ma besra o
so ka cho say
man ya okotwa ayi yese ka ya pake ona say security o keke ikra no
wa nya na hogon so sa
o man pani bia sa de se kufu ana ka kokro so convoy no be kai
ayi
ne so je ko hwemu
ayi jerry motorway
ai
sa kwa ni se ikra ya nda ntini nka bi
ya tini
nka bi o fa be si na ni ma bi o
ena o man pani da akofo
kufu de en so eno ye yi dabi opɛ bia na ne de ne opɛ bia ena Jerry Rollins de na na motorway so
Jerry na motorway
yeah ena president kufu de ne opɛ bia na obi ani na kwa sem azo
ya si ko no mbo mo ko ma to ma na kra na wasaba
on
prepare ko
so on baba no Cape Coast too
be go no ha
yeah be go Cape Coast
na ya man fon ko
yeah be go no Cape
Coast my love the conform
obi na kan so obomu na kire wado what you say
this is what we have as I say so it call push support man
this is what we have here
after Brazil 2014 mama me ati ase say omuso ye adwuma pa na omo ye no
anya tu ha che
ento adwuma de o ye adwuma ye fa ye ho be so as mama kan so omuso adwuma omo ye no sometimes wano asem ebi asem na kan no kre but the space obeka asem na akwakofa ade ade abreo what you say
okay me am fa we from
this na ade aye ya manfo ani je ho no bi ko kan so mfo asem ko na ye adwuma ne yeah so ye no betia nipa no pa no beti opa wontie
okay we also kindly wish rejoice asiye avonyo avonyo ye my we mum di we dey avome man hwe ni so wish rejoice asiye avome of Central University LLB level 200 weekend school Mateko happy birthday for me with all members of her study group and omo ede wish no na ayi kwame yentu che ema Ghanaian international footballer Enoch Edukofi. Yes, Enoch Edukofi. Yeah, say or say Walande ewo Ghana omo okrum obedi holidays kakra ne ade a say eyin so what town Patrick Chumesin so what town yeah omo so ebetwa tan kakra ono kwa no last Saturday yana ye ko to ne badin kakra ne ade ntino omo na omo town chichi omo na eti Enoch Yamu akwaba di ebehwe ne link up ne ahia na ehu se de be ne ma ne ade Kwame ne se baby ayi de
mo se wadan for Kwame Eugene sa ko wi anum bi mu
oh ma hwe Nigerian artist no onya na sem oni case utie nwum ni mienu adan gra enti owi anum ne sen enti o person che say the word show body no enti o no kwa na ene dia na there's nothing new under the sun we there o mu say ya Kwame Eugene sa same way dabi aha ti Kwame no we should be careful where the fact that Kwame Eugene nyum say show body now can show body who dey tie say the onu po unim say that's what I'm saying because who tie nyum now be tie Kwame Eugene nyum na me who why you should come say we be wian nyum
because confusion ya na ya clear no cry ye nyina tra ka say confusion dey clear
ade dey damu hu say e na say melody no ni nyum no ni Kwame Eugene nyum no melody sha cheyan for be bia the only thing na say ono dey na show body
Somebody could say,
oh, you trust na me there.
The roster, Ekuku, or person or trend.
We inquire there, may defend
the African number.
We inquire there, you.
Kakuani as Adia, Mammy Fancy Akasiapa, and call in Texas. Will be at Mamakola Africa more Kill-Free Enterprise. On who said the software partner TB Joshua, TB Frimusano, Mano Yako. Okay. I mean, Timmy said that crown friend or Eman Yako. And I face through a year, Nanaya, our Seattle. Kakusum says Seattle, so America could have Seattle. I want you know, America, but obviously you betray our
a big crab borsa.
And what you young bend, because I dare say I want to make a book of where we are near than I do.
And family 19 good evening, Jerry. Kindly wish my kid sister, Corporal Harriet Dede Kwashi of Ejusu Police Station a glorious happy birthday with good health and prosperity. Wefi Rebecca Yeboah. Police niba papa ne near ding. Bekino no. Ne near the dread. Oh, it be a bottle pa. It be a bottle pa. If you walk okay, happy birthday, do belated. Then come out Dr. Elvis Sowate Lomote. I'll say I dedicate every lyric of the multimedia 25th anniversary song to him. Kwesi Achina. Like seriously say, and you want to person dedicate to one. That's how you mean some. And some no mean I come and also or dedicating in the amano. I say, you now say, yeah, bomb uncle for. Your bomb uncle for. I would tell lyrics now, and you know, it was all the lyrics now mean my papa, elevation baby. It's in order, and I don't know why. We also say, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish Fifi Nyako, that's Uncle Fee, and Uncle Fifi of Community 17 Lashibi a happy birthday. May God bless his new age. Pa from Ekuya Amponsa. Yo, Ekuya, Uncle Fifi, that was why. That was pa. And then our very own Evelyn Ahiabo. Of Honam Clothing, Wokukumlimli here, Sadisco traffic light here, and also not just say a birthday and it's Evelyn. Happy birthday to do. Happy birthday to you. Now, a woman say washre o papa ne ade a gusu morning but Ben saying life goes on. Nti ya ma wodapa nyame onsha no to nkwanem why? Crash any idea, but Bibia bear fine. Okay. Walanyo Wakwitia, I'll say happy birthday, and call Emma Richard Tando and the Donna Fro Ulman, or Sinyame Unshana on Tonquanem, and also, I don't know, Nafi ye twaso na ye kwe anymore. I didn't come. Okay. I'll say happy birthday to my dear wife Evelyn Mame Ama Gatti, CEO of Classic Designs Tema Community 8. May the good Lord bless you and be gracious unto you. From Frederick Edu Amwako, Irabina Akusia, and the entire family, wishing you a happy birthday. And also, and once I'm not fast like I say, my proud sponsor, mobile, my idea, I get a sports bureau, Nafi, Yan Twasso, and Koyen. Now, the Omina say, Nay, Jumia. Imwaye de Jumia imwaye de so when you news no dia news na won na say Jumia day for you angaza ni nyina say we excitement galore and say Jumia 9th anniversary no and I'm Kwanso ba che say enchibia no na lande. So from the 14th to the 27th of June, Jumia is giving you reasons to celebrate your everyday. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy amazing deals up to 50% off on your favorite brands. Say Benetton, Nivea, Samsung, Icona, Lele, TCL, Gino, Maybelline. Just enjoy 50% off. Brandsy eso. Make sure so download the Jumia app no sisia na onso atimi hu de call it there but Jumia your everyday delivered. Eno ehun asem eno no. As they do on come in boost about mixture aka police in the no. Papa. It's about time so ultimate build a strong immune system. We be an immune system ye weak. Enti yare bia atwam oba bia edu ne junction so apɛ no apake no abeka hello eno enye bomodia na etiminya strong immune system said de be ya yare bia ba wakwamu pa na no a wa pampam no na che say de bia no oho den kama pa edro we de ye fani agro wo yare otimi nom abrenya na Cockings Walk Herbal, Equus Pharmacy, Wudama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops ebi yo and a fee who call a health alert shop or St. John's Albinyebi. Little George Health Shop and so Tema Community 5 ebi yo Patrol Frey 0243 115 948 and a fee 0246 208 496. Not to do bia unie biano. Yemfa ensomo. And we china sede you from Royal Drinks or see you go like drinks papa no ne ano de ye your Royal Apple, Royal Cooler, Royal Orange and a fee Royal Cocktail. We know any perfect flavors na abusia uhia no tibomodia na ema wonsa enka odie 250 pesos are available in a shop near you. We are another quality product if Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. For bulk purchase phrase 0262 351 251 after 0272 133 373. Na yen soto come on. Go TV. Or say love it. Nina say they say La Liga, say Premier League, say yes you are, say just say then the academy na no. Action na. I will go TV so ya beat me ashibi. So stay connected. Let me enjoy a captivating moment. I will bread this soccer papa ebro na bibia so etimi akoye dia ma connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Wa bro using my Go TV app. Now also wait me I witness a great football sessions near there na bibia etimi akoye e dia ma Go TV. Love it. Eno ehon ehye aedawa ye de etu anim ewie no. Eno no. Share no so say finally jollof no ayo jollof na wudi no say emu ayede yi pa ni nyina ne say that mixture of carefully hand-picked spices representing a bano aromatic chicken papa bi ne juicy tomato flavor papa bi ne ade na akekabom no alande etie maduane na ye de ewo kwan sonko so we fried toss seasoning for crab bepiem. So go on and try the new fried toss seasoning shrimp and now chicken and now mixed spices and now tomato flavor no. Now wabu sampa more day ye. You're on a tablet or and you're on a powder so eka home. Dear wow PBI, just choose a choice and enjoy. Every moment me and I deal question because so fried toss seasoning, tasty warm fried toss. Love your food, love your life. And also abusia yan fan tre ha na fi yan pem ko yanim na yan hwe de aka ewo ho say respectfully Jerry Wish Kwame Abori I hope says CEO of Regabs Eatery Sakumono Estate near Fridays, a happy birthday for me, though belated. Tell him I love him too much. So when I come there to eat, he shouldn't embarrass me like the way he used to do. I said, whoa. He's my only brother that I've got. Jerry, anytime you pass by, just call me for a special pizza from Regap's Eatery for the entire Ofie Kwanso group. Or better yet, I will send you the delivery guys so that they will bring it to you. From Kennedy Kofi Abwa, aka Asante Achim Kofi Massacre, National Protection Unit, Accra High Court. Hey, yo. Yeah, SMP. All right, Uzuti 106.3 Adom FM.
And Kobe Bia. Justice.
Hey. When we send your police in here, Drew, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadin.
Refuse to grow, and your offense were back.
And what day immune system when you go phone, and you're ready for Gamusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system, Nabribia. Ya Rientimu. Say, dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance you say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now, Pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Womuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jody and Crat. To say, yeah.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media, I make ready with Go TV. BBR setting, no size. The players: Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, come 11 July. Share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Super Sports with Go TV. So now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, I won't know baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per Koji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it. BB Bessie
Emerson Sam Magania Magaya wa Europe sia me wa magaho Euro 2020 amaya denu 9 day boni wa tournament ba ko a e dey ni Stone Compre football fans gida 51 matches efifie da 11th June kosi 11th July why na ejikuru kesi esiso no multimedia yana yaje Euro 2020 na lire ye niase live in HD e wo ye TV no so share matches e wo HD plus decoder so Adom TV, Channel 103, Joy Prime, Channel 102, Joy News, Channel 101, Euro 2020, you HD Plus decoder, HD Plus, a HD experience partner, Emma Multimedia, Euro Sumremo, live commentary so Twitter, and we are radio hot one and so. Yen social media and so near. Jai, a chinye bieni, say Euro 2020, fee no neha, and until say, na wood ye. Euro 2020. Yeah, Gia Bosso. Euro 2020, and you will cross Betway. For the love of the game, DBS Industries, Roofing Papa Fee, Savannah Paint. We all go paint some. Shield Paint, the premium paint.
The battle lines are drawn. 16 schools are ready to do battle for supremacy and the bragging right as the best school in debating.
In a culture where everything is politicized, the church is the only body which is separate and independent to criticize the government when they go for unpopular interventions.
Another instance is the Ayosu Wagon by-election, where unknown marksmen were seen dressed in the Ghana police SWAT uniform and caused great tension at the election ground. These men were later on denied by the commander-in-chief of ever being part of the Ghana Police Service.
Make a date from Monday, 31st May, as we bring you fierce and insightful arguments in the Love FM High School Debate. Catch it live online on Facebook at LUV 99.5 FM on radio and Joy Prime, Joy Learning on Mondays on TV, Wednesdays and Fridays at 1 p.m. each day. The Love FM High School Debate.
Nana, Yen Control. Jumia presents Celebrate Your Everyday. It's Jumia's 9th anniversary and we are celebrating with amazing specials. Enjoy up to 50% discount on your favorite brands from 14th to 27th of June. Jumia Day for you, Ankasa. Download the Jumia app. Jumia, your everyday delivered.
Mom, please can I have some milk in my Milo? Have you tasted it? No. But I didn't see you add milk. Hey, taste it before you ask me any question. Hey, milk na chum say. This is Milo all in one. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk and show, everything is inside.
Milo All-in-One already comes with more milk. Just mix with water and taste the nourishing goodness of quality cocoa, malt, and more milk all in one sachet. Milo, the energy to go further. This advert is FDA approved.
Maybe travel choir ko baby fufro bi a ho ye de na e ho joa ahomka papa bi wom. Why a crado yanko? Afi kosa. Feni fa fa benku. Chawani hwe afafa. Chakwan no pija wonsa. Yes. Na fure yogurt rurano. Bisano se oma o fan yogurt punchy peach fufro no bi. Na fe chia wano. Na tumu denyina. Sanji bio menjai. Kosa. Ma fan yogurt punchy peach fufro no a jojo wakoma. Emfa won kosa. Fan yogurt. So cool, so good. FDA aji edredi nkra to yatu.
Na family planning enu ani
unia eya sumdrianka so afede mitumi ne mengire tenase edwin brebe we ye bo toso wabra nya fe na ya na unia na kwa ya dwenyengo unia afensu ye hwema kechire no so anyi etumi etumi kampo asa ya dwen se ye be ubie ma na ye ubie
se entimi ne mengire so yes ka de bie de shop mu ansa ya wo ye ka echire
unia enye kan no ye se be man sin so man so ayede
wow
Bomskin. Family planning.
And ne wapo modin djuma ye nin nkita ho ne ya. Wo family planning hihye ya. Eyama wo na ho kafo. Family planning wa ma wo hihye bra wo pese wo. Ene emadodo a wo be pese wo be wo. Good life. Abrabopa, Boniye and Kaipwe Ghana Health Service, USAID. Ene won aboafo ene de bring. Family planning. Good life.
Hey, ama Missy ne, boy be a missiano. Real deal, package ankasa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with six packs. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Metron, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. We're ready. Hey, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jeff on Adom 106.3
You mean what? Where the girls at? Where the boys at?
so easily. I remember back in the day, I go to every day. Mommy, Maya, and I, say you want it in there. Maya, and I,
and music at the back is coming from DJ Chihuahua. And it features Adina Agro, they call it. Yay. Grace Watima says, Jay, please wish my beloved husband, Richard K. Adom, a happy birthday. They'll be belated for me. Yesterday was his birthday. Okay. Yeah. Ruth Glover. And also say happy birthday going out to my dear brother Michael Glover of Nabita Hospital. From the sister Ruth. What download the Global app now? When you download it, Joe, you are messing up big time. I'm telling you. Yes. So say I guess by now you know say the quickest way in the pan say that they are fire global so within the shortest possible time they but now said them now on global. Yes, I tell you. Say yeah breakfast, say lunch, say supper. Oh man, this year now said them hot and spicy now na woody. I feel so crying. Global app no more Kenya Emma and aside the restaurant, our options, they'll be choose now. What Tom with Diana? Say, or person or shop here, groceries near the idea. Nina, supermarkets near the now, so per se, beer drinks be now open near there. And now, a beer or item be out per se, you're picking it up now, you're dropping off at a different location for you. You bet yes, I delivering the amount sharp. If I show app no very, very, very simple and easy to use. Now a fast on so. Now who you see a global app now every step of the way. Baby I would do bia, baby I just a white term do bia now they now die and the amount updates are to 10 bia nunim there call him there back. You know what I'm saying? So go on and download the global app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Depending on the device I'll use, so then you sign up. Now you should start promo code with Global Adom. That's GLOVOADOM. GLOVOADOM. Global Adom, one word. And you will get your first 3 orders delivered to you for free. Yeah, won't you hear what I said? You phone and our device now using this year. Let download the global app now from the Google Play Store or App Store. They use to sign up. Now you use promo code with Global Adom. That's GLOVOADOM. And you get your first 3 orders delivered for free. Global. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. And that's you alone, Miss V, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's filler time, baby.
Yeah,
Mommy boat.
Brajery.
Oh, no, I'm not feel sir.
Oh, Brajery, on your easy.
What's that? 7 Now, you are recording.
What should be Biaboko?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Now, what's in your crew?
Some my son started being. I go do almost say, you will come back to the old one. You will come. Make no fear. You will come. You will come. Oh, you will come. You will come. You will come. Oh, you will come. This one, you will come. So they say, I say, first night, you know, I said, I hear you can't carry you know, she go come. You will come.
Now, Brajery, Miss Samuel Cromer, bro, Minimum said this weekend, come will be an oracle. Minima Saturday, come using with you now. Okay, see, I had to details.
Matibate, Padino, Yadio, Canon, and you want to come Eugene, no, you.
Roger, in Bibia, come Eugene, they want me Penasim baby.
No, you see,
the big brother.
The thing is that, who's a never be a best in Conditino. And yes, you see a man who can now will be a room user then. Over the years, people have been talking about him, say, you know, picking Crawford now, Kofano, yeah, it's, you know, and I'm a Crayano, but Uncle Boy, the Mumpa, DNA, what the shit, Kwame Eugene show body, yeah. Just according to boy, minimum say a boy in the interview now. Also, they or said no for Kwame, catch and there, or court or cosign like Okusuno. Yeah, or catch and there, or we are on Chor Simmons as test message no fan sending. Non Peru be at the Simmons bedroom. But Kwame Eugene, no, the miss some get important show be it's a boy now. I never making it now. Or pointing heavy bar.
As the buffoon was making move because according to him, of legs. And they were reaching in a casino, then you want John. No, so you're a by heart the man or cat to corner.
Yeah.
And not Kwame Suyanibi. And zero, no taking up, but Master American, Master Many agent. Better no share or pay attention or pay Ghana attention.
That's what I'm seeing.
Maybe an open door breaking to your markets and into the wash them because
you know,
but they need him now.
Baby, but he got me listening to his song from start to finish. And Kenya say we are. I wouldn't have listened to his song. But because of that, I said wait, you know, I had to listen to the song from start to finish. I am young money. And run up.
Young money. Now most almost some da. Yeah, upon now on ye Becky. Yeah, vibes. On any reason, come on now. Uncommon or a chair. I don't know what's the come or circle. Circle here. Oh, number baby. Oh, we get ton. Oh, enter your supon. And then you see our wallet. Now they what papa, and then you may fine. Then they don't any reason come or call me and I don't turn on the seed. Yeah. Oh, now see the challenge more and why boys know what action in you. No, what turn from home. This is going to no, boys no crew was yeah, no point. I looked on the CD, no, what's in a car. I said, oh, Poppy, easy. Sorry, yeah, sorry, I now. I said, yes, I quite no crack. It's in a while, but I'm about your information. So, I'm yet careful. Let's no harm, or what can all harm or sharp. What ton was some put them second boys, young Cassano. Oh, who papa, hey, what ton, what ton, your support on your mandala. Hey. Okay. Now, Miss V, so now say I know this is a new relationship on Comona or a Cade. And I'm American pressure crack. The onward now say I should know Comozima, not a Rabban approaching there. The relationship on Penachino, Brajerism.
Yeah.
Rabano say, or me a short of a can this relationship experience. But actually, the line now, actually, some work can I. Or there. Only on the tough papa, or on the tough pa. And so no, Ghana from Poncho, you compare my Yankee Miss V. Okay. Yankee Miss V, na, ya one payment as and it's stories so no, the Greg Adom online, Adom online, a bottom knock and can be as a mon home maison, no ye, Mame Boatima, the front door. President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Masardo.
Great.
Also, it's when I had the my Vodafone and a Vodafone Akofa. Yeah, good morning Ghana offer at the Abba. Now you can have an even greater morning with a Vodafone good morning offer. So good morning bundle Emma, unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers and then 5 minutes talk time to other networks plus 500 MB of data. Now the end can say the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call this short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi pay. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone. Together we can. Yes.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was send me the mobile money. See me with our cash card. Charges some 380 cedis.
We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement $10 so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and can we be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there.
Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are free? We send this free Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And so you free. Masa into work catch me. What that's so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says
hey masa you shape not to ball musisi ya.
I know say there. We send this with Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial star 110 hash says in the send this car.
Abedja. Malcolm the Assem Danaba. You follow the power of 300 Ghana cedis promo.
The power of 300 Ghana cedis promo?
Aye. Malcolm say to Adia Baku and the boy 300 Ghana cedis. Ninya Ebrosa. Now on chow 10% discount instantly.
Instantly?
Ane. Amunumuha. Etika huo. Makoje wodie. Na ansay now. Sa promo yi air cost wa Malcolm show bia. Africa na hunu say. And manage to say kakra wo home.
Malcolm, where Ghana shops.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Slow down.
And our special greetings and also a happy birthday in advance going out to you, Evelyn, all the way in Hanover, Germany. Tomorrow happens to be your birthday. So from your husband, yes, your darling husband, Nana Kwame. Yes, and then from Rebecca and for Ryan, from Ryan, they are all wishing you a happy birthday in advance. Now the omo can say nyame onsha na onka na ondomo you don sabe ka bi o menye sha o ma wa hoden dan kwa yes pumde papa bi ewo mu. And for myself as well, I'm praying for God's blessings for you as you celebrate another milestone. So once again, a happy birthday going out to you, Evelyn, all the way in Hanover, Germany. Don't want to be me. I said yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already, yeah.